Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, let's explore the Boning Cave. And before going further, let me first say migalap shout out po sa lahat ng aking mga subscribers, viewers, at saka sa lahat po ng mga sumisilip sa aking channel. Thank you very much po. At syempre sa lahat po ng mga nagre-react sa aking videos, thank you very much po sa inyong lahat. So, by the way guys, migalap shout out din sa mga tahanan na umampun kay Sulabi. Thank you very much sa lahat po ng mga admins at mga members na nandyan pa rin po sa supporting. Thank you very much po sa inyong lahat sa support niyo from the start until here. And for the next videos that I'm going to show you and for the next years as well. So, di na ako magdadaldal pa ng marami. So, this is the Boning Cave and I'm going to show you and explore you around. Let's all together be amazed with these very beautiful views inside. So, sana in the future, we can go together and explore here. So, everyone that are watching in this video will also experience and witnessed the very beautiful views inside this cave. So sit back and hope you enjoy my vlog for today. And by the way guys, may nagpa-shoutout pala, Flores family, thank you. At saka nga pala, thank you very much sa love niyo sa aking channel. At syempre sa Micas family, Delgado family, ayan, Abina family, thank you very much po sa inyong lahat, sa lahat ng support niyo sa aking channel until here. At sa lahat po ng mga darating pang mga years sa ating channel. So thank you very much po ulit at patuloy po tayong magbibigay at mag-update po sa inyo ng mga new videos na magaganda at syempre sariling atin at syempre dito rin po sa ibang bansa. Ayan. So, tara, let's explore na. So from this part here, guys, we can see the very beautiful formation and the very beautiful views inside. You can see that it's really, really amazing. So look at that, guys. Sobrang ganda. Sana mapuntahan nyo rin po in the future. So ayan, patuloy tayong maglalakad doon sa Lagusan, and look at the stones that is formed here by nature, naturally. So napakaganda, amazing, at really worth exploring for. So look at that, guys. Once again, this is recommended. I'm going to recommend to you to come also here in this place. So be amazed by yourselves and experience the unexpected views like that. So, ayan. Ayan guys, sobrang ganda. Ayan, pabalik-balik ko talagang sabihin sa inyo na sobrang ganda sa loob, guys. So, try nyo rin pong magpunta dito at mag-explore dito sa cave na to. So, this is the Boning Cave. At sana ma-enjoy nyo rin pag nagpunta kayo dito in the future. So, yun lang, guys. Thank you for watching. Ayan, palabas na. We're going out from the cave. At makarating tayo dun sa Lagusan. At ayan. So yun lang. So that ends our vlog for today featuring the Boning Cave, and hope you enjoyed it. At sana po kayo naman ang pumunta next time. So thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe if you're new to my channel. Thank you very much po. Please stay connected to be updated with my next videos. Once again, this is Solabi, always reminding you to stay healthy and be safe always po. See you on my next videos. Maraming salamat po ulit.